The internet has blessed us with existing tools we can use without stressing about spending a ton of money on systems and paid ads. I mean, that's the whole point of passive income, right? I'm sure you would want to pay those annoying bills and live a financial free lifestyle without the stress, especially in the current crisis right now. And put some money away for a rainy day, or even go on a vacation with your family, or even finally buy the car you always wanted. Or maybe you're stuck in a 9 to 5 job and finally want to quit before it's too late. It all boils down to one thing: freedom. Are you fed up of spending a ton of money on same old courses that promise big things but fail to deliver? Or are you struggling to make consistent income each month despite getting results? Now, this is a common trap most people fall into, but it's not your fault. It's because you've not discovered a simple traffic system from someone who has been doing this for years. That someone is Keith Doherty and myself, that have spent hours and hours testing different systems and making money with the exact methods we teach. Keith and myself know how to get amazing results. Wayne Crow has also partnered up with myself and Keith Doherty to give you access to a powerful traffic system that shows you how to pull in daily affiliate commissions and leads easily. Introducing Tube Domination. The Tube Domination is a brand new 3-step system of generating free traffic without spending any money and ads, turning that traffic into hot leads, and of course making consistent income from these leads. Inside Tube Domination, you get access to step-by-step, bite-sized video training that shows you how to set up everything in less than 30 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. You will then discover powerful traffic strategies to start generating leads and sales. The beauty of all this: you don't need to spend a cent on traffic, not as zilch. Once this traffic starts flowing, we will show you a simple way to convert that traffic into hot leads that are ready to buy. This is a powerful system no one is using, and we're about to reveal this to you. This is a completely newbie-friendly system. You don't need any technical knowledge. Everything is inside the training. There's nothing left out, which means you can start implementing this right away. We share a variety of different traffic methods that will generate you leads and sales. You will then take these leads and convert them into money. It's that simple. Now, if you would make this money consistently, would it change your life? It will be like having the key to your own ATM cash machine, because it's a battle-tested, proven system that works. In addition to the step-by-step video training, you also get access to bonuses and case studies, which will of course aid your learning. This is a done-for-you traffic system that's proven to work, and it will save you a lot of time and money. All you do is plug in, follow the system, and get amazing results like this. So, what's the cost to get started? Well, when you consider everything that's included in this proven step-by-step done-for-you system for making money, we plan to charge $497. And when you consider that you're getting step-by-step video training, nearly 3,000 subscribers by just organic traffic case study, and another case study that shows you how to get 14,000 views on a single video that took 10 minutes, well, also you get 2 high-quality bonuses. $497 or even $997 would be a no-brainer. Well, this system, because it's evergreen and it runs on free autopilot traffic and is proven to get you amazing results, and afford to pay $497. That's why we are slashing the price of Tube Domination. You won't even pay $497 or even $297, not even $197. You can get everything for a fraction of that when you click the button below right now. Click the button below to lock yourself in on a discount and bonuses at a special dime sale.